Dope. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by the garage. Today, we are going to be reviewing an awesome way to jump your battery when it's dead. We are going to be reviewing this guy, the GOOLOO, I think I'm saying that right, jump starter power bank. This thing is awesome. So I got this for Christmas a year ago. My wife got it for me off of Amazon. I got a link down in the description. And the reason I got this is because, as you guys may or may not know, I love this YouTube channel called Project Farm. He tested a whole bunch of these jump starters, and he put them through incredible tests. And this one did a really outstanding job. So I put it on my wish list, got it last Christmas, charged it up, and forgot about it practically. I mean, we didn't even use it. We never tried it, never tested it, nothing. Then, like 6 months went by, we got the Miata painted. During the painting process, the battery died, and my when we went to pick it up, I grabbed this. Didn't check the charge on it or anything like that. When we showed up to pick the Miata up, the painter had actually charged up the battery, so the Miata was fine. We drove it around, and we wound up going to breakfast. And at breakfast, I didn't close the door all the way of the car. So we have breakfast, we come out, we realize the door is slightly ajar, which had the little interior light on the entire time, which was about an hour. And guess what? The car wouldn't start. So we were kind of in the middle of nowhere. Went to the trunk, grabbed this guy, had no clue, never used it before, never even checked to see if it was fully charged or anything like that. Put it on the battery, dude, and the Miata started right up. So Kelly and I were both really impressed with this thing. I mean, like I said, it had been sitting for months. We just threw it on a car, and the car started right up. So we have an actual similar test today, because since that time, I have not charged this. That's right, this jumped the Miata back in May or June, and it's been sitting in our cars in the back ever since, not charged up. So we are gonna test it today on the Commander to see if it's gonna start it up. But before we do, let me go over what comes in this little bag. All right, let me open this up, show you what comes inside. First, we're gonna pull out the main unit. It's kind of the big brains of the system. Then, we have the jumper cable add-on. And then we have a little DC connection, and then the power cord, which is USB-C. On the back, there's a nice little pocket to keep the user manual inside so that you always have it with you. Now this is the main brain right here. We got our power button. If we hit that, we should have an indicator light. We do. Here is the DC input right there. And then here are where your jumper cables go. Very straightforward. They can only be installed one way. Over here we got our USBs, we got a light, and we got our Type-C, which can either charge your cell phone, or that's actually how you charge this unit. Now to turn the light on, you're gonna hold down the power button, and boom, there it goes. Hit it again, and we're gonna do like a flash. In case you're on the side of the road, you need to get somebody down, and hold it again. It's gonna do SOS with the Morse code blink. Hold it again, it should go off. Perfect. So now, the jumper cable part, which is the main reason I got this guy. Super easy to do. Like I showed you earlier, it's got this little window here. Open that guy up. And the jumper cable thing can only be installed one way. So, get this guy lined up. Push him in. You know you got it in when the lights come on. And this thing is ready to jumpstart your car. So as you guys can see, the battery in the Commander is dead. It's been sitting for 2 weeks. We were on vacation. Then we had a hurricane, and I've been in and out of the vehicle a ton. Left the doors open at one point, wound up draining the battery down. So let's go ahead and get this thing jumped. All right, so here we are in the engine bay of the old Commander. We got our black side of the battery. We got our red side of the battery. Pretty straightforward, guys. If you can't really screw this up unless you're really trying to screw it up. Red, it goes to red. Black goes to black. And to make sure that you got it right, you're gonna come over to the side here of the jump pack, and you're gonna look to see if it's correct. If you got a blinking green light, you're good. If it was bad, the red reverse light would be on. So we got a blinking green light. We got all this up here, and I think we're gonna have to boost it, because I think blinking means the battery's too low. Let's hit boost. There we go. Let's jump in and start it up. Oh, I hear a beeping noise. I hear a beeping noise. Can you do it? Oh, dude, like nothing. That was rad. Started right up. All right, let's disconnect this guy. 1, 2. Get him out of here. Dude, how awesome was that, huh? Absolute breeze, absolute breeze. I'm gonna let that run for a while. Sorry for the noise in the background. You get to hear my exhaust though, which is pretty sweet, huh? Anyway, back to the jump pack. Dude, how impressive is this thing? It still has 4 bars on it. This, again, it's been charged once in 11 months. Just jumped a V8. It jumped this little Miata 5 months ago. It possibly can even jump even more. I don't know how much life this thing still has left in it, but 4 bars is 4 bars. I'm assuming it could still jump it again. So we didn't really go over it, but one thing I want to touch on is this thing does act like a power bank. You can obviously charge up to 3 things at one time. You got 2 USBs and you got that Type C. You can charge, like I said, 3 different things off of this. And with this battery life the way it is, man, this thing would charge your cell phone, your laptop, whatever you need charged while you're out on the road. Just really versatile. You should definitely have one, probably in every vehicle. So let me know down in the comments, guys, what do you think of the GOOLOO Jump Starter Power Bank? I think it's totally awesome. Link down below as always, guys. It is an affiliate link. It does help the channel. I get a little bit of a kickback if you do use the link. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy these review videos. I've done a lot of them recently. There are a lot on the channel. Check them all out. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Later.